People have made thousands of dollars from this side hustle, the Amazon Influencers Program. I'll explain what the Amazon Influencer Program is and how you can get started. The world of social media has exploded in recent years, and with it, the rise of social media influencers. These individuals have a significant following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and their influence can be powerful. In fact, some social media influencers have been able to turn their social media presence into a full-time career.
My most popular video with 2.5 million views was this one right here where I tried Forex trading.
Hey bro, you heard of Forex, bro?
Which I got paid $27 per 1,000 views for, making me a total of 70 grand for this video alone, which is crazy in and of its own.
One way they're doing that is through the Amazon's Influencer Program. This is a common sight on social media platforms, with influencers promoting products to their followers. But what exactly is the Amazon Influencer Program and how does it work? The Amazon Influencer Program is a program that allows influencers to earn a commission by promoting Amazon products to their followers. Now, you may be thinking, do I need a lot of followers to join? In this age, companies have been more and more accepting of a thing called micro-influencers. These are people that have a smaller amount of followers, but the connection is a lot closer, which amounts to more sales. There is no official requirements to join the program, but you need to have good engagement. If you would like to see me try to join the program with 1,200 followers on Instagram, let me know in the comments. To join the program, you need to sign up by visiting the Amazon Influencer Program website and apply for the program. Once you've applied, you will be asked to sign into your Amazon account and choose which social media platform you will be using to promote the products. To get accepted into the program, you need to send in 3 review videos and Amazon will determine if they want to accept you or not. The review videos you send don't need to be extremely high quality, but they should be clear and informative. People also aren't on Amazon to watch a documentary, so keep it short and simple. Once you're accepted into the program, you'll receive a unique referral link that you can share with your followers. When someone clicks on the link and purchases a product, you'll receive a commission on the sale. You can promote the products in a variety of ways, such as creating review videos, posting on social media, and even writing blog posts. Amazon provides you with a wide range of products to choose from, so you can find products that fit your niche and your audience's interests. The Amazon Influencer Program can be a lucrative source of income for influencers. The more products you promote and the more people that purchase them through your referral link, the more money you can make. But how do you actually make the money? With the program, there are 2 main ways to earn money. First, you need to create videos and upload them to your Amazon storefront. When people click on a product and watch a video and then buy the product, you'll get money straight into your bank account. Secondly, you can generate revenue by putting your affiliate link on your social media platforms and just watch the bread roll in. This can quickly generate you lots of money because a popular product like Apple headphones has hundreds of purchases every day. The more products you review and the more videos you create, you'll eventually have a collection of videos and it will just accumulate over time. If the product is somewhat evergreen like Apple headphones, then you'll never stop making money. But this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to build a collection of videos. Keep in mind there's no limit to the amount of videos you can upload on the website, but only 3 videos per product. If you were to upload more than 3 videos per product, your account can be flagged and terminated. Also, for the first 3 videos you submit for your review, it's suggested that you show your face. After you get approved for monetization, you can create videos without showing your face. You can turn this into a full-time income if you put in effort. There's no cap on how much money you can make, but the amount of money you earn will depend on the amount of products you promote, the quality of your videos, and the engagement you get from your followers. In the technology age, it closes the gap between the average Joe and an A-list celebrity. Some YouTubers and social media influencers get the recognition and the money that some celebrities get. So on my channel, I'll be discussing different ways the average Joe can escape the rat race and reach financial freedom. If you want to learn how I grew my Instagram from 0 to 1,000 followers in 30 days, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to invest your time for knowledge and later your knowledge for stupid amounts of cash.